Scientists discover secret to healthier belly fat. The study revealed that long-term exercisers exhibit enhanced fat storage characteristics such as increased blood vessels and mitochondria, and reduced collagen that hampers metabolism, potentially reducing the risk of diseases like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Fat storage in exercisers versus non-exercisers. People with obesity who are long-time exercisers have healthier belly fat tissue and can store fat there more effectively than non-exercisers with obesity. This is according to a new study published today, September 10, in Nature Metabolism, from a team of researchers at the University of Michigan. The research team also grew fat tissue in the lab from cells collected from both exercisers and non-exercisers, and cells from the exercisers developed into a tissue that stored fat more effectively. Impact of regular exercise on fat storage. Our findings indicate that in addition to being a means to expend calories, exercising regularly for several months to years seems to modify your fat tissue in ways that allows you to store your body fat more healthfully if or when you do experience some weight gain, as nearly everyone does as we get older, said principal investigator Jeffrey Horowitz, professor of movement science at the School of Kinesiology. Researchers wanted to see the effects of years of regular exercise on fat tissue, but it's very difficult to design a study to track this long-term. Instead, they compared two groups of adults with obesity. 16 people who reported exercising at least 4 times a week for at least 2 years. The average was 11 years. And 16 people who'd never exercised regularly but matched in other things like body fat mass, weight, and sex. The team took samples of belly fat tissue just under the skin from both groups. Enhanced fat storage capabilities in exercisers. They found that the exercisers had distinct structural and biological characteristics in their fat tissue that increased the capacity to store fat there. The non-exercisers did not have those characteristics. Specifically, the exercisers had more blood vessels, mitochondria and beneficial proteins, and less of a type of collagen that can interfere with metabolism and fewer cells that cause inflammation.